Number 5, the current I in amperes in an AC circuit is given by I is equals to V all over the square root of R squared plus X squared. The current correct to three significant figures when V is equals to 250, R is equals to 11.0, and X is equals to 16.2 will be given by. So they simply want us to use this particular formula to substitute the values to three significant figures and be able to work out the solution. So what we will do, we'll begin by writing our formula. I is equals to V all over the square root of R squared, then plus X squared. Then what you do, you'll be able now to replace. So our I is what they want us to look for. So you say I is equals to V is 250, then all over the square root of R squared. Remember our R is 11.0 squared, then plus X squared. Remember our X is 16.2, also squared. So you square the two values, then you add together and get their square roots. So remember, if you take that, I will be equals to 250. Then when you square 11.0 squared, you will get 121.0 to four significant figures. Then when you square 16.2 squared, you'll be able to get 262. So if you take to four significant figures, it will still work. Or if you want to move to the end with the exact value, then find the four significant figures at the end, it will still work. So what we do, we will add the 2 and find their square root. So if you add the 2, we will have 250 all over. When you add 262.44, which is the square of this, plus 121.0, which is the square of this, we'll be able to get 383.44. So at this particular point, then you are needed to find the square root of 383, then 0.44. So you can take the exact answer, which is 19.58162404, or you can take the answer to four significant figures. Either way, our answer will still be found among the multiple choices all over. So I will take the four significant figures, 19.58. When I round off to four significant figures, that is after getting the square root. Now remember, you need to take 250, then divide by that 19.58. If you have picked this one, then don't divide with the exact one in the calculator. So once we divide, I'm getting 12.76813075. So look at this. If you truncate and say 12.76, then that is not correct, because normally truncation is rarely used. You are supposed to round off. So if you round off and say our answer is 12.77, that is to four significant figures, then looking at the options, the answer is not there. But now, what if you round off to one decimal point? If you round off to one decimal point, then you'll be able to get 12.8. 12.8. That is, if you round off to one decimal point, then you realize that one of the answers is there, which is C.